Hello friends, welcome back to our ETC Information English channel. Today we are going to take information about Casio company. Before starting the video, please subscribe to our channel to stay updated. And subscribe to India's #1 audiobook platform Kukufm. Check the link in the description box below. So let's start. The Casio company is a Japanese business that manufactures scientific calculators, digital watches, musical instruments, and other electronic devices. This company has made a name for itself for products leading in high quality and technology. Talking about the establishment of the company, Casio company was started in 1957 by Tadao Kashio of Japan. Earlier, this company was famous for manufacturing calculators. Casio brought uniqueness to the design of scientific calculators, making them one of the most popular brands. Talking about digital watches, Casio also made important contributions to the field of digital watches. Their distinctive design and technology have earned them widespread recognition. Casio watches quickly became a hit after the release of the digital watch in 1974. The Casio company was a pioneer in the mass production of quartz watches that ran electronically. These were the world's first successful electronic watches, and they also became a fashion trend. This first product was called Casio, which spread and sold like wildfire. This watch not only had the facility to tell the exact time but also showed the date. This feature might be taken for granted today, but in the 1970s, it was groundbreaking technology. With the success of its digital quartz watches, Casio takes its technology beyond digital watches. They began to develop his famous G-Shock range, becoming the robust, digital watches that still exist today. G-Shock gave the world a rugged, technologically advanced watch that could survive almost anything. Casio did for the watch industry what GoPro later did for the camera industry. Casio also began to revolutionize marketing, with their popular watches appearing in films with the release of Back to the Future in 1985. Apart from Casio watches, musical instruments were also developed by Casio. Their keyboards and synthesizers are famous among musicians. Apart from these, Casio has also manufactured other electronic devices, such as digital cameras and projectors. The Casio company has built a global presence with its advanced technology, design, and trusted brand, and its history is tied to its innovative products. This is the information about the Casio company. Hope you liked the video. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to our channel. Thank you.